You will receive 2 cartons of 4 0.5 ounces hair repair treatment ampoules each. Intense rescue shots help deeply repair signs of hair damage in just one use. Make hair visibly healthier, shinier and stronger. Deep conditioning treatments target extreme hair damage, help prevent split ends and restore moisture. Color-safe formula, safe for chemically treated hair. Learn the secret behind Pantene Hair. Pantene Miracle Intense Rescue Shots deliver the nourishing power of our intensive and most concentrated Pantene Pro-V formula. These intense rescue shots dry hair treatments help deeply repair signs of hair damage, like split ends, transforming even the most damaged and dry hair into Pantene hair, visibly healthier, shinier and stronger. Include them as part of your regular hair care routine. Includes 2 cartons of 4 intense rescue shots ampoules each, to treat dry, damaged hair and split ends. Strength against damage versus non-conditioning shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Finally can stop being frizzy. I received a tube free with my purchase of the shampoo and conditioner and loved it. Ordered a box full of them. Note: if you have short hair, you don't need to use a whole tube each time.